Hello, welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by annualpools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. And before we start, we have to answer a question we received in the comments from last week's show.
Okay.
The answer is yes. The question goes as such. Do new pool heaters require a fireman switch? Now, before you start yapping, let me talk to the people real quick. Let's explain what a fireman switch is. A fireman switch, in conjunction with a timer, is used to shut the heater down 15 to 20 minutes before the pump turns off. This was essential for older gas heaters because the old-style firebox retained so much heat. The pump was needed to run water through the heater while the fire break cooled down.
According to Hayward and Raypack, a fireman switch is not required with their new heaters. The new firebox is made of silica fiber panels that do not retain heat inside the cabinet. All of these newer heaters dissipate heat almost immediately. That being said, it's not a bad idea to check with your local code requirements. Some municipalities may still require a fireman switch.
All right, your part was good, but my part was better. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, please like and also subscribe. We'd appreciate. Thank you for joining us. Bye.